chairman of Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, Solomon Sharpe, says the deplorable condition of the equine pool at Caymanas Park isn't set to get better anytime soon. The equine pool, which is normally used to train and aid in the recovery of horses from injury, has fallen into a state of disrepair within the last year. Sharpe says over $40 million would be needed to fix the pool, which is outside of the company's budget, adding that the rebuilding of the pool lies with the government. He explained that the rebuilding of the pool lies with the government.
It was never built properly, and this is the work of the stakeholders on the ground. And to do it over properly is going to cost probably in excess of $40 million. So what do you do?
Apologies for the bad audio in that particular bite. But Sharpe said Supreme Ventures management would continue to explore the issue.